we have a problem in geotechnical engineering. The results of a triaxial test conducted on a cohesionless soil are as follows. Confining pressure equals to 60 kilopascal. Planger pressure equal to 80 kilopascal. What is the angle of shearing resistance? Our solution, we draw the XY plane, and in this portion we put the half of the circle, and our confining pressure equals to 60 kilopascal. From origin to beside the half of the circle, this is our confining pressure length is equal to 60 kilopascal, and the planger pressure equals to 80 kilopascal. The length of the planger 80 kilopascal, the diameter of the half of the circle, and here to here is our radius. 80 divided by 2 is equals to 40, our radius. And from here to here is also our radius, 40 kilopascal. This from this figure, from here to here to the origin and back, the center of the half of the circle, this form a right triangle. So you sin phi, the angle of shearing resistance phi, is equal to opposite 40 kilopascal over the hypotenuse 60 plus 40 is equal to 23.578 degrees. Or we directly use the formula phi equals arcsine 40 over 60 plus 40. This is also the same, is equal to 23.578 degrees, the angle of shearing resistance.